Hello everyone, how are you today? Let's solve the question and crack the MRCS. Now we can start the question. Here, a 22 years old man suffers a compound fracture of the tibia during attempted surgical repair of the deep peroneal nerve is divided. Which of the following muscle will not be affected as a result? Here we can see the key point is deep peroneal nerve is divided, and the second one muscle will not affected as a result. That means the muscles which is not supplied by the deep peroneal nerve. Here the options are tibialis anterior, peroneus longus, extensor hallucis longus, extensor digitorum longus, and peroneus tertius. So we can see here, this is the leg. We know that the leg has total four compartment: anterior compartment, lateral compartment, and posterior compartment. Posterior compartment has two parts. One is superficial and second one is deep. So the leg has total four compartment. This is anterior compartment and lateral compartment. We can see here in the anterior compartment there is a nerve, and this nerve is deep peroneal nerve. We can see here it is deep peroneal nerve. Deep peroneal nerve, it starts at the lateral aspect of the leg, at the neck of the fibula, and it descends down, and it ends in this area in the first wave space. And this deep peroneal nerve supplies the anterior compartment of the leg muscles. We can see here the deep peroneal nerve, its root value is lumbar 4, lumbar 5, sacral 1, and sacral 2, and this supplies the following muscles, that are tibialis anterior, extensor hallucis longus, extensor digitorum longus, peroneus tertius, and extensor digitorum brevis. These are the motor supply. The deep peroneal nerve also provides the sensory supply, and it provides sensory supply in the wave space of the first and second toe. Here we can see here it supplies the sensory sensation. And we can also see here the deep peroneal nerve, it arises from the common peroneal nerve. Common peroneal nerve divided into two parts: deep peroneal nerve, which already been discussed, and then superficial peroneal nerve. Superficial peroneal nerve, it supplies the lateral compartment of the leg, and in the lateral compartment of the leg we can see there are two muscles. These are peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. Peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. Peroneus longus also called fibularis longus, and peroneus brevis also called fibularis brevis. On the other hand, peroneus tertius present in the anterior compartment. So anterior compartment, five muscles. These five muscles very important to remember. Deep peroneal nerve supplies the anterior compartment of the leg muscles. So we can see another picture here. It is the deep peroneal nerve. It is common peroneal nerve. Common peroneal nerve divided into superficial peroneal nerve, which supplies the lateral compartment of the leg muscle. On the other hand, it is deep peroneal nerve, or deep peroneal nerve, it supplies the anterior compartment of the leg muscles. You also see here, this is deep fibular nerve or deep peroneal nerve. So you can see here the options. We can see the options are here. The peroneus longus, we read it, it's present in the lateral compartment of the leg, and it is supplied by the superficial peroneal nerve. And superficial peroneal nerve root value is lumbar 4, lumbar 5, yes, sacral 1. So thank you all.